You could stick your finger to the floor.
She's struggling.
Go towards the light. Bye. Damn, the ghetto bird. There's something going on here. He's flying low. It's going down. It's going down in the ghetto. Going down. It doesn't look that close on the camera, but in person, this is really close.
I think he's gonna come land in this parking lot.
I feel like I could throw a rock at him and hit him. How'd you get your leg up there?
I'm flexible.
Oh wait, that was mine. I'm hanging out with Damon too much. That was the epitome of a dad joke. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So as you guys know, with American engines, and part of why I love them so much is you can get just about anything at a part store. So I thought, why not spend $1,000 at a Pep Boys?
So shopping spree for Mimi?
Yeah. Yeah, let's see, why not? I like how that's correlated, how I'm like, yeah, you can get anything at a parts store, so I'm gonna spend $1,000 here.
I want to see how much chrome you can fit in one shopping cart.
See how much horsepower we can get from racing flames. Let's do this.
But really though, like, let's not do decals. Let's just agree right now that we're not gonna go there.
Cut to a shopping cart full of You know, I brought you to this Pep Boys.
What's that?
Because they have some of the most ridiculous stuff you wouldn't expect to be here. First thing when I walked in through those doors, I saw a bottle of Nitrous.
Dude,
I'm going to buy a bottle of
Really?
Nitrous right now. We got $1,000 to spend. It's $5.99. Let's rack up a bill.
I mean, that makes, like, they have like JDM stuff here too.
They do. They got blow off valves. They got plate relocators. They got lowering springs. They got cold air intakes. All right, let's go get someone to help us.
You're locked out for a reason. This is dangerous.
There it goes.
There we go.
You want to look at it?
Yeah.
Is it full?
Yeah. I want to make sure that's complete, okay? Give me 1 second.
Can we leave this here? We're gonna keep looking around.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Beautiful.
Cool?
It's full?
No.
Oh, it's not.
Full.
No.
Oh, they told us it was.
No.
Where do we fill it?
There's a place in Reseda.
All right, they yelled at us for filming and we're not allowed to film here. So I'm trying to be extremely low key, but still be respectful. Actually not get kicked out.
He was like down. He's like, I just have to ask my boss and he's not here. So should we get underglow?
I think if we get underglow, it should be for the Prius.
Dude, I'm getting underglow.
We're here for Mimi today though. Should we get...
No, we still need underglow the Prius for sure.
Oh yeah, we'll do that in another video. Should we get exhaust wrap?
Definitely.
I think we need an exhaust first.
All right, well they have that right here.
No, they got mufflers on the other side. Oh, right here. We really need at least a carburetor filter. If we don't get a carb, where can we find a filter?
Carb's good. You saw Sandy clear that thing out already. It's good to roll. Should get a filter, as much chrome as possible.
So apparently this whole section that we're in that has all these aftermarket crazy parts is called the Speed Shop. And the guy who runs this little area is like super cool.
He's rad, dude.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good stuff here.
Yeah, there's a car show we're gonna go to in a couple weeks here too. We made friends. So we got a bottle of nitrous. We got an actuator button.
You need more chrome?
We need more chrome and an exhaust, and we should get a filter for the carb. Let's see how much that racks up. We're at 600 right now. Well, 615. I lost the button. Should we get a steering wheel?
That's exactly what I'm standing here staring at. These are kind of like,
Oh, I thought this said Granny on it. It says Grant.
Is Grant a good company?
This one's real wood, it says. Let's get the wood one. That's so grandma.
Cams, let's get a cam.
$200.
Dude.
$5.99. We're almost at 800 already. Are those valve cover gaskets for a 350?
Yeah, I think so.
Is everything here for a 350?
Literally everything in here is for 350. Like, I'm like looking, I'm like 350, 350, 350.
$24.99. We gotta make sure we spend 1,000. Pick one, and we still need to get an air filter. Will this work for a 350? Done, thank you. So we got a bottle of nitrous, we got a steering wheel, we got a filter, we got gaskets.
More chrome.
We need chrome. Dude, they have Vibrant here. That's how you know they know what's up.
Yeah, right?
And I have an extra large.
Deal, thank you. Because my grandma's pimp. They have everything here.
Get some gauges.
We're in a Toys R Us right now.
I know, right? I could spend a lot more on that. Like, you were saying 1,000 at Pep Boys, I was like, oh damn, you're gonna buy a lot of like decals and chrome. No, you're gonna buy like 3 things because they actually have legit shit here.
Hey, do you think we should get oil?
What? For what? You guys got the cool stuff.
Thank you. Do you think we're at 1,000?
Easily.
I've always known this place to have a gold mine of things, but I'm actually surprised the more I walk around about how much is here.
Yeah.
I think we call it with what we have and we come back with a plan next time.
That's a good idea.
Let's see where we're at.
1,054.41.
Thank you so much for everything, Oscar.
Thank you.
You are amazing. I appreciate it. We'll see you at the car show.
All right. We'll see you.
Sounds good.
Bye.
So wait, real quick. When we're checking out, it's like ding, 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 ding. It goes up to 1,000. The dude across the way looks over and he sees the camera, and then he looks at me, and I'm just shaking my head subtly. No, he's like, give me $1.
Is he really?
Yes.
It's so funny.
That was so great. Okay, realistically, we probably could have gotten like responsible items like brake pads and a bunch of. Nah, we're gonna go race car.
Brakes?
You're just giving me a look like.
Brakes? I don't understand. What do you need brakes for?
Oil, like.
This cools your engine. You don't need oil.
So here's everything we ended up buying from Pep Boys. We got an air filter, we got some plug wires, we got a filter, plug wire protectors, we got a new steering wheel, we got some plugs, and we got some merch. Also, could not go without getting some chrome. And cause Grandma Mimi is a pimp, we had to get a pimp chrome logo for the side. And also some black eyes, because you guys already know black is cooler. Oh yeah, and you guys see the little NOS button? The majority of this purchase was for the bottle of NOS. Went in there with the intention of buying a bunch of chrome stuff like race car flames. Like I was gonna spend $1,000 on nonsense. However, there was more cool, legitimate parts than there were unnecessary chrome and flame stickers. So
Sorry, what?
I didn't notice that the whole time. You really just punch out your lenses?
Yes, 100%. I just want to be like you.
This is so awkward right now. That's pretty good, man. I'll give that to you. I didn't even see you do that.
Just talking. Sorry, what? What were you saying?
This is my new look. You guys like it? They're prescription. I can't see shit without them though. Who wore it better? Comment below. Oh, it took us 3.5 hours to get here. It's a busy house today.
I like those toys in the back.
Dude, why don't we boost those?
Oh, we should put nitrous on that.
Now we're thinking.
Oh, look, there's Mimi.
Did you wash her?
No.
Someone did. Looking clean. Looking fresh. The car.
Talking about Sammy's haircut, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna tip.
I thought so too.
That rubber does not smell good. Sounds good. They put a quieter exhaust on her. So it was awfully nice of you to wash my car for me.
Yeah, thank you.
He's taking credit for someone else's work.
All I did was add my Instagram on your glove box.
That's how you succeed in life. What'd you break my starter for? It was working fine yesterday.
Wait a minute.
My starter was working fine yesterday, and all of a sudden...
This is kind of funny, because like when Rob sees this, he's gonna be like, well, the reason it's broken is because I touched it.
That's true.
Because I broke the Beamer, I broke Justin's truck.
So you guys remember when I broke the lower control arm on the E36 when I was drifting that day? Apparently a week before he had broken the other side.
Yeah, and now I broke this.
Whatever he touches turns to broken.
Let's try to just bump the starter here.
Just try turning it again. There we go.
Oh! I don't break everything.
Watch out for that torque! Alright, I'm out of breath because I just ran after Sean in the Prius to grab my phone, but he went to go get the bottle of nitrous filled up. In the meantime, I don't think we're gonna be doing the bottle today. That'll be tomorrow's episode, so stay tuned. But today we're going to finish installing the QA1 suspension drag kit on the rear on Mimi. So before we get started, there is one thing I have to correct myself on, and that is the last episode I was calling it a level 2 drag kit. My mistake. It is the level 3. The difference between the two is that the level 3 has a double adjustable shock, race series arms, and adjustable upper trailing arms. So today we are installing the level 3 drag kit. It was 3.
Not 2?
It's not 2, it's
Not
3.
2.5?
Not 2.5. Not 2 3/4. Not 2 1/8. It's 3. 3.0. So that's my bizzle. So rear suspension kit, we have the adjustable upper trailing arms, we have the anti-hot bar, we have the lower trailing arms, we have the shocks, we have the frame support bars, and we have the sway bar. Frame support bars? Is that right?
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah.
Frame brace, support bar, whatever. And springs.
And
Don't forget the
springs.
springs.
And springs. Can't forget the springs.
Car won't go anywhere without that.
Well, we can try, but
We installed the other set on the front last week. I tried to put these on the front.
I didn't notice either.
Rough day, and that's a rougher day today, so let's see what's
So
in
it should be
store now.
fun, yeah. And this is the kid, because we haven't met the kid kid yet?
That's Steven.
Steven. Well, I like the kid better, but...
The kid's actually on my fire jacket. It's my nickname at the racetrack.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So why we start calling you the kid
Don't call me
since...
the kid.
Okay, we won't call you. So we got 2 Justins already?
See, they started calling me the kid when I got my license because I was like 27 and everybody else I raced with was like in their 60s and older.
And now
So-
you feel like you're too old to be the kid?
Oh yeah, I'm not the kid anymore. I put a piece of duct tape over it.
We might want to film this.
Jumping on the freeway,
Yeah.
springs are coming out.
So you
No
just put,
shit.
you just freaking push up, dude. What? And then you throw. That's how you work on cars.
All right, we're pulling up memes. We need to work. Let's take the wheels off. Let's start disassembling everything. So we have the before.
Yeah, this one's the old one.
All right, so we have the before and the after. You're catching on quick.
I was born in the morning, but not this morning.
Oh, that's heavy.
It's probably not a whole lot heavier.
They're about the same size, actually. Or weight, I should say. The torsional strength between the 2 of these, you guys can see instead of a straight bar, this one's got a few more kinks in it. Make go fast race car.
It's more like go straight race car.
Straight and fast.
There it is.
You guys, look how fresh these are. Pull that down.
Wait for it.
Wait,
It doesn't even go. These are going on Craigslist.
for sale. Never used.
Freshly painted.
When you're working with tall people, you have to compromise.
Not even that tall. Like 5'4" and a half and 3/4. Oh, this one's going on Craigslist too. Dude, wait, people can buy your grandma's parts.
That sounds so dirty. The springs, shocks, sway bar removed. We're gonna start by doing the adjustable upper trailing arms. We gotta remove the old ones first, of course. I always struggle to get the hose on the gun. Are you struggling now too?
Don't you, like go to the gym though?
I only go to take Instagram photos. I don't actually lift weights. Now it kicks on.
Oh my god, it's so easy.
Whoa, look at that. Hollywood magic. Oh, these bushies are shot. The before and after this is actually very impressive. And these are adjustable.
How to thrash bushings 101.
Yeah, I was gonna say you were straight demolishing these to get them out.
Yeah.
Which is great. It was this or fire.
Yeah, no, this is better.
Sandy walked up and was like, what the f are you doing? Took the gun.
Yes, Dad.
Hey, I come over here. Dude, 2 seconds. Go. I missed.
Sandy's great because he works faster than anyone on the face of this earth. Walks up, does it in 2 seconds, walks away. So the old bushings have been removed, and all I can think about are removing the subframe bushings on my S14. Oh my god. I hope I have an air gun like that.
And Sandy.
And Sandy. More importantly, Sandy. So I could lie and say those bushings were really easy, but they weren't. Sandy ended up coming by and just installing them really quick. When I say quick, I mean like 10 minutes for the 2 of them quick. We're gonna go ahead and start doing the upper trailing arms. We can figure out which hardware packages for it first.
Delivery.
Oh, you got it filled.
Oh, it's heavy.
I'll be done in 2 seconds when Sandy comes over here.
Not 2 seconds. It took me more than that.
About 7.
3.
7 seconds.
Out with the old, in with the new. So there was one thing about the upper trailing arms is that we had to drill out the bolt hole to a 1/2 inch diameter on the frame, but it went in like a glove. Doing some Panera there.
That's right. I saw someone posted, they were like, I eat Panera 5 days a week. I was like, I haven't had that in a while. That sounds pretty good.
Funny, I had Panera last night with Damon actually.
Anything from Panera wrecks me.
Really?
If I have a soda there, it wrecks me.
Anything you eat ever.
You gotta love when you don't read the directions to things. We put those bushings in and then realized that's where the anti-hot bars go. Thanks for sending the directions at least.
I totally saw that earlier and was like,
Didn't think to.
bet.
So we've just about got the QA1 suspension on the passenger rear side assembled. We have the coilover, we have the lower trailing arm, the upper, the anti-hot bar. It's coming together great. We're gonna start working on the other side. The only issue we've been having is the frame support bar. This is the wrong side, but bear with me, you'll get an idea what I'm trying to do. So this is the frame support bar. However, there's a brace there, right here, that is getting in the way. The directions have a spacer for that to space it out to clear that little frame support, but we can't seem to find it. So I don't know if we lost fantastic. We are going to continue on without it and come back to that at a later date. Okay, we have the rear suspension installed aside from the sway bar. Take a look at this. Here you go, same as the other side. Use your imagination, but everything is assembled. Had to drill into the pumpkin for the anti-hot bars to get that little bolt through, but looks brand spanking new. She's finished. Sway bar, everything looking good. I'm really excited to take her on the track and see how she handles. More importantly, from a dig. I'm really excited for this. I truly am. So I think all that's next is we got the suspension. I feel safe. Everyone's like, why not build the engine and then do the suspension?
No, you always want to go the other way around.
Yeah.
Let's add a lot of power. And
Let's just do 1,000 horsepower off the bat and just keep the stock suspension.
Completely rusted out suspension. That sounds good.
So the nitrous has been filled. Tomorrow, let's hook up the nitrous.
Should hook it up right now.
We should, but the guys have families, they got wives, they gotta go home, which I understand. Like. Justin left a long time ago because he wasn't feeling well. I hope he's feeling better by tomorrow. Oh, you know what? Let's B-roll the suspension. It looks great. Let's see how slammed she is when she comes down. Oh girl. Oh, we're good. Yeah, I'll probably have to raise it when we go fatty slick, but we're good for now. Oh yeah, baby. Looking clean, looking low, looking fresh.
Talking about Sandy, right?
Thank you again.
Bye.
See you, good night.
He did your buy.
You did the buy.
He did the buy.
Sandy ended up staying to help get the car done. So Sandy, thank you for all your help. Thank you, QA1. I am loving the setup. I wish we could have driven the car, but I guess we'll just have to wait till the nitrous. And I'm okay with that.
That's a good idea. Like brand new suspension, hasn't even been set up or like settled, and yeah, let's just throw nitrous on it and see how that does.
Sounds safe.
There's no room in here, so you're walking.
It's my car.
Oh, all right, later.
See ya. We're here at Avenue of the Arts. We met them through DDE, Daily Driven Exotics, and they are supporting ECREW by giving us each rooms to stay here since it is down the street from Sheer Performance. So thank you, Avenue of the Arts. You guys, if you're ever in Costa Mesa, I would highly recommend this hotel. Their prices are great, and we're about to go see what the room looks like too. Are you across the hall from me?
No, I'm right there.
Oh, okay.
I'm across the other hall.
Cool. Well, have a good one. I'll see you in the morning, and thank you for today.
Aren't we meeting up with Bees for Build right now?
Yeah, we are. So, no, I didn't forget. I was trying to close out the vlog.
Shout out to Bees for Build.
We're gonna put our stuff in our rooms right now, and then we're gonna go meet Chris at Bees for Build for a drink at Disneyland.
Downtown Disney, brother.
Oh, that's awesome. I'll see you in the lobby. This room is actually really nice, and the bed faces the lake. Pretty cool. As you guys can tell, I'm a little tired. I'm not gonna try and wash my hands any further. I'm gonna go out wearing my shop clothes and go meet Chris, B is for Build. If you guys don't know his content, go check it out. He's building an LS Swap Lamborghini right now. And you guys already know, LS Gang for life, LS Swap the world. But yeah, check out his content. Make sure you guys give Sheer Performance a follow. Thank you again, QA1. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the love and support, especially from you guys. I love when you comment. And if there's one thing I could ask, it is please share this video. We have some new merch coming soon. Just bear with me. It's a lot. It's a lot for one person to kind of handle. But ECREW, we are out here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. With love. Bye. I forget that I'm not wearing actual glasses.
Shut up, dude.
Keep forgetting.
You deserve that one.